All right, let's break down the huge global race for semiconductor supremacy. We're talking about the semiconductor, or microchip, the literal brains of all modern electronics. And get this, the chip market is set to hit over $1 trillion by 2030. Why the boom? Well, it's because they power everything from AI to our electric cars. Yeah, think about it. AI, data centers, cars, they're all demanding way more powerful chips. But the real story here is AI. Server demand for it is just growing at an insane rate. Here's the problem, though. The global supply chain for these chips, it's super complex and fragile. Things like geopolitics and export controls create huge risks. The whole system is vulnerable. And Europe felt this risk keenly, making less than 10% of the world's chips. So Europe decided it was time to make a big bet to get back in the game. And that bet is called the European Chips Act, a plan to boost their entire chip industry. We're talking over 43 billion euros in public and private money being poured into this. The plan is built on three key pillars: more innovation, more production, and better supply monitoring. So what's the big goal? To double their global market share to 20% by 2030. So how will they do it? By fast-tracking two new kinds of chip-making facilities. And it's not just talk. A massive 10 billion euro factory is already being built in Germany. And this is happening all over Europe. New hubs are popping up from Italy to Poland. You see, this isn't just about money. It's a strategic play for technological sovereignty. But let's be real, Europe is jumping back into a very competitive field with some heavy hitters. With everyone making their own moves, it all comes down to one big question for the future.